Hey everyone, glad to see you on my new YouTube video about Kismia, and today I would like to do a little review on this application. So let's get started by installing this application. You can easily install this app from Play Store or App Store if you use iOS device. And now let's search for Kismia. And there is the necessary application. So let's install it. Well, what is this application? Kismia is the dating application where you can find people nearby online. Kismia is an online dating app for meaningful connections. Join us today and kickstart your journey to finding a serious relationship. Here you can see pictures of the app. Okay, and finally the application is installed, and let's run it. And now let's get started. Tap on get started. First of all, we need to sign up. So I'm gonna select male, and who do you want to meet? Woman. Okay, tap continue. Are you ready to be active here? Well, yes. Are you ready to text the woman back? Yes. So you can just tap on yes or no. Let's select in my region and tap on continue. Here type your name, choose your date of birth. So what's your relationship status? Single, no children. And here you can select the preferred age for the matches. So tap on next and start. Thank you. So finally we can continue. So here you need to add your photo or photos if you want, or you can do it later. So tap on later and skip this step. Next, next. And finally, I can use this app. So this is how the interface of the app looks like. So if you want to skip the person, you can tap on the cross icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap, okay. Or if you like someone, you can just tap on the like button right here. But first of all, you have to upload one photo at least. And at the top, you can filter people by ready to meet, near you, some goal, other city, active now, or verified. And at the bottom, you can switch between tabs. So the first tab is the main tab. So the second one is the chats tab. The third is activity, profile tab, where you can see your information, your profile. And right up here, you can buy a premium account. And let's take a look at the difference between a regular account and a premium account. Oh, there is also a gold account. Okay, so unlimited chats, location visibility, people online, you can chat with currently active users, global connections, and unlimited likes. And you can activate it for 1 week for $6. Okay, and what about the gold account? So you can see the profiles that have liked you. Also unlimited chats, of course, people nearby, location visibility, so just like in the premium account, and global connections, reaction reverses, unlimited likes, and support, of course. And of course, you can buy it for 1 week for $8. Just tap on activate and pay for it with your card, for example. Well, I think that's all for today. I really hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comment. Thank you. Bye bye.